Hello friends, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you received multiple GST or 2B reports every month and needed to combine them into a single workbook table for GST reconciliation? Most of people hold the multiple Excel file one by one and copy the data manually, spend hours preparing a consolidated report. But today I will show you how to unlimited GST or 2B Excel files into a single workbook table using Power. And there is a bonus in this video. I will show you how to fix the advanced most common advanced editor error that occurs, the sample file name changes, how to fix them, and so make sure please watch this video until the end. So guys, let me show you the source folder file. Just this is my source folder GSTR2B practice workbook, and in this folder multiple GSTR2B Excel file with different months: April 25, May 25, June 25, July 25 and August 25. And all the instead of the opening of every manually file open, this is the same structure. This is the GSTR2B heading name. These heading name same into the every GSTR2B working file. If we check the another file and multiple column is 21 and the first file which are having 21 columns. This is the structure is same, but instead of opening of the one by one open file and manually data copy paste into the another workbook. But I will show you how to combine the all these files into the single workbook table using Power Query. I will show you how to do that. So guys, open the Excel workbook and go to data tab, click the new query button and from file and from folders. Click on the from folders button. So this is the source of data where source data are in this system. So how to do that? Go to the browse and click on the source data file and then OK. So here is the source of data file and different month name: April 25, May 25, June 25, July 25. And now the combine and transform the data, combine and edit. This is the GSTR2B file and the all GSTR2B working file. The file name is GSTR2B and click then OK. Now Power Query is open. This is the Power Query editor. Open this file and clean and transform the file. So firstly, I go to the legal trade name, click on the transform tab and format this tab, capitalize each word. Now invoice date should be invoice date format, transform that all the columns says into the decimal column. After that, no required these columns. I remove these columns, and this one also. So guys, once you completed the all the transactions, all the clean and transformable file, then click on the home tab and close and load button, and the file name is GSTR2B file, right? And close and load to button. Click on table and click on the Excel button and load to. And the magic is that all the multiple Excel file combined into the single workbook table within just few minutes. So guys, this is the very beautiful tool using Power Query editor where multiple source filing combined into the single workbook instead of one by one manual data work. So this is the best part where we can apply the recorded button and the changes in the Power Query editor into a single workbook table using Power Query editor. But one day you have multiple Excel file and the one file name is name change, and the error in the Power Query whenever you refresh the button on the data tab, which is will give the answer is error in the query. So how to fix them? Let me show you. Go to the folder button and I suppose if I name change GSTR2B replace the GSTR2B RPT. Suppose one user has been changed the file name and send them to you. How to do that? Once and save button click and click on the data tab and refresh button. Once you refresh the button, Excel could not refresh the table GSTR to be combined file from connection query GSTR to be combined file. Here is the error message from the external data source. The operation failed because the source data file does not exist. The source table does not exist, or because you do not have access to the data source file, because you, your file name has been changed. Due to this error, Power Query Editor does not combine all the multiple Excel file into the single workbook. Due to this discrepancy, we identified the how to resolve them and fix this into the Power Query Editor. Open the Power Query Editor, go to Data tab and show the query. Double click on the GSTR2B or single click and go click on the edit button. This is the sample file is the GSTR2B data and transform sample file is the GSTR2B. So go to the advanced tab, advanced editor, and the file name is GSTR2B sheet. File name is GSTR2B sheet. But here one user has been changed the GSTR2B report. In which, due to this discrepancy, we are unable to get the all combined data into the single workbook. So guys, I have to close this file, Power Query Editor, and go back to the source folder and open this file in the August 25, and the file name rename is GSTR2B, and now save this button. Now click on the data tab and refresh all. So my query is resolved. You just click on the name, file name. This is the most common error. While you save the gist, while you create the Power Query Editor and make the query, but how to fix them once you receive the different file name in the GSTR2B monthly report, then how to fix them. So open the Power Query Editor and go to the sample file and transform file where you can changes in the file name. So click on the GSTR2B file, sample file name, and click on the file name. How to find the GSTR2B, which file name has been changes. That occurs to the sample issue changes. So guys, if we edit the another month in the folder, this is the file, and here is the source name is April, May, June, July, August. If next month added in the folder, how do not manually work to combine the data into single workbook. Just copy this file into the workbook folder and go back to the automate Excel workbook and just click on the refresh button, and the previously GSTR2B rows 150 now is the 193, and the source file name is added September 25. So this is the magical tool. No manual effort to create the multiple Excel file into the single workbook. This is the manual reduce the. So guys, we learn about how to multiple Excel GSTR2B working file into the single workbook table within a few minutes, and we learn about also how to fix them if file name has been changed and how to fix without manual work from the scratch in the Power Query Editor. So guys, this video helps you to the practical example for you to automate the GST reconciliation process. If you work regularly with the GSTR2B, vendor reconciliation, bank statements, and other multiple repetitive Excel work, Power Query can save hours manually work every month. Every week I share with the practical example of the Power Query, Power BI, and GST automation tutorials that you can apply in your daily routine office work. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please, if you found this video will help you, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and share this video with your colleagues and friends. Please don't forget the bell icon press so that every video update is as regularly update in your channel. So guys, I will see you in the next video. So bye. So take care. Jai Hind.